everyone, I am Shubhram Mujumdar and you are watching my channel whose name is Anyone Can Be Creative. Here I bring some videos regarding origami, craft and puzzle solving. Today I will show you all by making a very fast plane, paper plane. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. As you all can see, I have taken a rectangular sheet of paper. So now we have to fold this paper by half at first. As you all can see, I have folded this paper. Now fold, we have to do another fold in this manner and another fold on just the opposite side, other side. As you all can see, this is looking like a triangle. Now we have to do another fold like this. Something is wrong, and yes, after folding the second time, the paper will look somewhat like this. Now we have to fold this paper again so that the pointed side touches the base of this paper. Like this. You should make sure that all the folds are correct, otherwise this type of plane will not work. Now we have to fold this paper again like this into half. Again, see, into half, and after folding it, it will look like this. Now at this sharp edge we have to do a diamond shaped fold. It's called a diamond shaped fold, like this. See, here I have done a fold. Similarly, in the opposite side of this paper we have to do another fold like this. Now this paper is looking like this. Now open this paper, open this fold, and you will see that this type of thing has been created. Now that bigger triangle which was facing the base of this paper is folded up like this. it will look from back. This is the back view and this is the front view of this plane. Now again fold this plane into halves. As you can see, this plane has somewhat taken the shape. Now see, now we have to make the wings of the plane. To make the wings, we have to fold the plane like this. This, as you can see, this is the wing of the plane. Almost ready. Now a little fold in this wing as like this, and in here like this, in the just same as the opposite side. Now in this paper, now we have to fold this paper like this, and then open and open and insert this paper according to the folds that was made, and then like this. So what I did, I have folded this paper like this, and I have just inserted the paper like this, and then shut it. The paper plane is now ready for a test drive. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe this video. And what do you feel about this video? Please let me know in the comment section. As this was my first video, there may be some errors, but I promise you that in future I will rectify them.